In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset keyboard settings to default in Windows 10. If your keyboard is acting strangely, certain keys aren't doing what you expect, or you've changed some settings and want to go back to how things were originally, resetting to default is a great place to start. First, let's open the main settings area in Windows 10. Move your mouse to the bottom left of the screen and click on the Start button, the small Windows logo. From there, click on the gear icon to open the Settings app. If you don't see it right away, you can also just type Settings after clicking Start, and then choose the Settings app from the search results. Once Settings is open, look for the section called Time and Language. Go ahead and click that. This is where Windows keeps all of your language, region, and keyboard-related options. Inside Time and Language, select Language from the menu on the left. Here, you'll see your default display language, usually something like English, along with the keyboard or keyboards associated with it. Under your language, click on Options. This is where you can manage keyboard layouts and related input settings. On the Options page, you'll see a list of installed keyboards. If you suspect your current layout has been changed or corrupted, one quick way to reset things is to remove any extra or custom layouts and re-add the default one. To do this, click on any layouts you don't recognize or don't need, and choose Remove. Don't worry, you can always add them back later. Now, to make sure you have the correct default layout, click Add a Keyboard, and select the standard layout for your language, for example, US for English in the United States. Once you've added it, set that layout as the one you'll actually use. If it's not already selected, click on it so it becomes your active keyboard. At this point, Windows is basically using a fresh default keyboard configuration. To help everything apply correctly, it's a good idea to close any open apps where you type, like browsers or word processors, and then reopen them. In some cases, restarting your computer can help ensure all keyboard settings fully reset in the background. Finally, test your keyboard by typing in a simple text box, like Notepad or the search bar. Try letters, numbers, and some symbols to confirm everything feels normal again. If it does, your keyboard settings are now successfully reset to their default state in Windows 10.